Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Welcome to today's episode, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a bit of cleaning and tidying up around the house. And I'm starting off with my kitchen, guys. As you can see from the video, there is a bit of mess. This was created after preparing breakfast for the family, and before I could proceed with any other chores of the day, I just needed to do a bit of cleanup and tidying up of the place. And guys, we're going to do this together. Join me as we clean. I hope you find this video interesting enough to watch through to the end, and if you do, please remember to leave a comment and like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will really appreciate it. Moving on, guys, I'm going to be now tackling the living room, and this was also another area that was a bit messy. Having kids can make your work double the amount, and that was the situation on this day. I really filmed to show you the before of the mess I was dealing with at that particular time, but guys, somehow I lost the footage and I could not be able to trace it. Regardless, we move on with the footage that I was able to find, and this is me just cleaning up my window. It was really piled up with dust, I believe, since we had moved here like a month ago. I had not been able to tackle this area of the window, and I'm so glad on this day I was really able to tick that off my list of tasks to do. Guys, I'm going to just leave the explaining and put some music. I hope you find this kind of cleaning satisfying to some extent, and it gives you a motivation to tackle the areas that maybe you're finding difficult to tackle in your space that you're living in. Enjoy watching, guys. Now that the living room is done, guys, let's go back to the kitchen and prepare some dinner. For dinner, I'll be making some chicken stew that we are going to eat with some ugali and spinach.